Alright, welcome back. I'm Eşkin and let's get started. When you look at people's faces, the light hits a face and it bounces back into our eyes and up to brains where some biological process happens. And then we can say, oh yeah, that's Tom or Mike or Richard, whoever he is or she is. So it's amazing that our brains have an ability to recognize and remember faces. Now machine can do it too. But how? Probably you have heard a term fingerprint. Everyone has a unique fingerprint and probably it's one of the methods for unlocking your phone. But now new method FacePrint emerged. Both the recognition methods have their own advantages and disadvantages, but none of them can replace each other. So how really facial recognition works? So first of all, a computer identifies details of a face or reads the geometry of a face captured from a photo or a video to create a unique code or faceprint. Then faceprints are compared with those on a watch list and a computer ranks likely matches through databases. Then it takes the most similar one, which means a faceprint whose ranking score is number 1. Facial recognition was developed using 2D images. Since they can't take depth into account, 2D systems really based on the distances between your facial features, but angles and lighting can cause some problems. Now 3D cameras are able to prevent this issue. Apple's Face ID on current iPhone uses this technology. 3D camera on the iPhone sense depth by projecting 30,000 invisible infrared dots onto a face and using sensors to capture the distance of different points of that light from the camera itself. And finally, the Face ID learns face. Even if you change your hairstyle, you decide to put on glasses, you are wearing a hat, regardless of these changes, Face ID will know who you are. It is not only Apple uses this technology. Facebook uses it to tag you on your friends' photos. Google Photos use it to categorize your gallery. Face filters on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, they are all using this technology. Facebook's Face app uses machine learning algorithm to change people's faces with different filters. Using Face app, you can make yourself younger, older, swap your gender and so on. By the way, as you notice that older version of Harry Potter looks like a grandmother. Great, you have just learned how a facial recognition works and where it is used. Now we are going to start making our first project which uses facial recognition technology, and I will be waiting for you in the next video where we'll start doing exactly that.